We were supposed to go to the Statue of Unity. She all of a sudden fell ill, said that it is a bad case of pneumonia. Chances of survival was only 50%. I'm Professor Kiran, and this is my wife Saraswathi. We came visiting Gujarat exactly about a month back. We were supposed to go to the Statue of Unity, and she all of a sudden fell ill, and we rushed her to a nursing home in Ahmedabad. There, she was rushed into the ICU, where they said that it is a bad case of pneumonia. She was taken to the ground floor for a CT scan. We were told earlier to coming here that her chances of survival was only 50%. That was the stage at which we rushed her. And today, here she is. She will be ready to fly back home, independent of oxygen. Dr. Tirth Patel, who put us with such great comfort straight away. In a matter of 10 minutes, he said, don't worry. Even if she has to be given ventilator, it does not mean it is the end of the story. It is just a support. We are grateful to KD Hospital.
Dr. Tirth Patel, sir.
Tirth Patel and Dr. Dumra, I tell you, they are great. They are great. They're a great team, and they've all become so great friends, I must say. I tell you, it is even more challenging for a person who comes from Karnataka, anywhere outside, not knowing Hindi. It is a very rare case where a tourist comes and gets admitted in a hospital and stays this long for 15, 16 days.
I want to thank Dr. Dumra, sir, Dr. Tirth Patel, sir, and the team of doctors.
Thank you to KD Hospital. Thank you to the pulmonary team. Thank you to the team of other doctors, specialists, the support staff, nurses, paramedics. Oh, simply excellent. And all of them are younger to me. Otherwise, I would have done namaskar to them, bowing down to them on their feet.